So, this is something you probably shouldn't do in a bathroom, but I've just got the shower on. We finished this one. This is a personal one I've done for myself, so I'm going to show you what the purpose of the flood test is, but also I get the thermal imaging camera as well, so you can kind of see how that works and the idea of making sure waterproofing works. So this is something I want to show, so that this is how we guarantee all our bathrooms, due to the fact that I know that no matter where water goes, especially when it's been a floor that's been completely waterproofed, that you're not going to have any issues with waterproofing leaking into walls, running outside here. Obviously, you can keep filling this up and it would run out, which is what we don't want. So I'll just fill this up and get this water line to fill just before this doorway here. And then I'll show you with the thermal imaging camera what that looks like, and let this sit for about half an hour or so it gives this water actually a chance to soak in. And you'll find out that all this water will be contained in one area, and it won't actually be leaving. I've seen in the past where what happens is, if these angles aren't put in properly, the water starts sucking out underneath the tile and then can start pushing out into bedrooms, into wall frames where carpet is, and that's when you start having mold issues and stuff like that as well. So, thermal imaging camera. So what this does is just pick up heat. So what they use this for in a lot of leak tests for bathrooms is that you can see water temp is about 33 degrees where I'm pointing, but I've essentially just blocked the two drains with a balloon and a balloon there. But the idea, what happens, this has been sitting for almost an hour now. So what happens is, if there's any leaks, you'll actually start to see if the waterproofing is actually failing. What you'll see, so you can see the edge, just where that, if you look on the center pointer there, where that cross is, that's kind of where the water line is going. Now what happens if this is leaking, you would see the water line starting to push out around this, which would come out around these angles. So if this angle is not put in properly and not waterproof, the water will eventually sort of suck underneath the tile and really start to push its way out. And that's where you can get affected mold in bedrooms, or mold underneath vinyl planks, or rotting timber that starts producing mold because of the waterproofing barriers not put in properly in each bathroom. So here we go. So you can see the glass shower screen there, but you can see pretty much the edge of the wall frame and the colour, that all the water's being contained. The water didn't go all the way over to that corner, but you can see it's all being contained within the bathroom, which is what we want. So just thought I'd shoot a little video, hopefully makes sense how waterproofing systems are supposed to be done, because it is one of the most crucial parts to a bathroom, and also one of the most crucial parts that I find that is why a lot of bathrooms fail, is because waterproofing isn't done properly. So